everybody, my name is Mars, like the planet, and I was in the middle of doing my hair when I realized I should do a makeup. I should do a hair tutorial. So first you want to split your hair in half in the back, as you can see. Now, it's not perfectly split down the middle, right? So what we're gonna do is ignore that. Next, put it up into pigtails, little ponytails, pigtails, whatever you want to call it. I use 2 elastics for a secure hold, and yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take both of my elastics and put this into a tight ponytail. Should I do one more? Why not? Yeah, so we got one down. Okay, so this is what we got going on. This is the back. Yeah, we're gonna ignore that. Alrighty, so we wanna first secure our little thing. We're gonna slick this back, and I find that when I oil up my hair and I slick it back, it'd be just extra, you know what I mean? So we're gonna slick this back. I use 2 things to slick my hair back that I've recently been doing. I used to only use this Eco Gel. This, I've literally tried damn near all of them. I've tried the coconut one, does literally nothing. I've tried the olive oil one, the crystal one. I did like the crystal one, I'm not gonna lie, but this one's better. This one's the best one in my experience. And I have straight hair. So anyways, it wouldn't be as slicked back as I want it to. So then this one, this bad boy that every single baddie be using to slick their hair back, you know what I mean? But I was just so like kind of like intimidated by it, because it literally says blasting freeze spray. You know what I mean? Like blasting hold, screaming hold. Like that sounds so scary to me. Like I was like, oh my gosh. But I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna just stop being a little scaredy cat and just try it out. The first time I used it, I don't know, maybe I'll insert some clips here. You know what? I just need to stop pussying out and just try this. Oh. It ended up turning out good. It wasn't as scary as I thought. I actually really like this spray. Do this for. Okay, so when I first tried it, I ended up really liking it. It wasn't as intimidating as I thought it would be, and yeah. So, okay, I don't put this on my edges. I will always get this for my edges, but yeah, I would first gel my hair down with a brush like this. What is, I think bristle brush maybe. I also have this one, but this one's a little stronger for me, so I mainly only need to use this one, but this one's if I really need to slick it. But this one is just like really smooths it. And then I also have a little spoolie for my edges. I literally get these, like I just grab a handful from Sephora, like, you know, like the little tester section, and these work really good for me. I used to use a toothbrush and it's just not as good. Like this is a game changer. So anyways, yeah, so now I'm just gonna gel my hair now. You know, I'm probably not gonna do a dangly, partially because I just don't feel like taking out a hair and redoing my little thing. I just don't think it's gonna look as good because it's probably gonna be like a little oily from the oil I put in my hair, and it's gonna make my face feel itchy. Like I just be scratching my nose and like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll just do my edges though, because my head is,
I kiss you on your forehead.
but I love my little big head. I love my little big head. I think it's so cute, even though it's like huge, you know what I mean?
I kiss you on your forehead. You better stop playing with me.
Okay, with edges it looks really cute in my opinion, because right now I look a little bald, like very bald. But especially with my big eyes, like if I go like this.
Hey, when we get home, I'm gonna kiss you on your forehead.
But anyways, I don't use as much gel as I used to because I go with a round of this one afterwards. Like, I really like the gel, but like the hole just doesn't last. Like, it would eventually just fall apart and like my little flyaways would start coming out. But this makes sure my flyaways don't come out. Yeah, I think that's done for this side. And I think I'm just gonna go spray this now. Just a section at a time. And then the back. I find like the back is like really important. Really is kind of like the cherry on top on how clean it looks, because I used to like kind of like neglect the back side, like especially if I do slick buns and like this area right here. Yeah, the back side really ties it all together. Now I just redo my little ponytail, so everything that was meant to be slicked is slicked. 1, a 2, a 3. This be a whole arm workout. You know what I mean? Check out these guns. Yeah. Anyways, is this even? I think so. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna redo this. Okay. What is this? Okay. What the heck? Oh my gosh, my hair is tangled in this thing. How the heck did that happen? Oh my gosh, it's like literally tangled. What the heck? I don't know why I just tried that. Okay. What happened here? Oh my gosh, technical difficulties. This literally doesn't happen. What? Okay. Wait, no. Please. 2 hours later. Oh my gosh, nice. Okay, don't know what happened there. That doesn't really happen to me. Anyways, many ways. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3, 1 more. Okay, 4. Yeah, do that 4 times, and then bada bing, bada boom. Now you have these 2 pigtails that are slightly uneven, just slightly, just a little bit. And okay, you know what? I'm trying to. This is like the 4th time I've redone this one. Okay, this is the one. This is the one.
1 eternity later.
Okay. Okay, now that we have our 2 ponytails, we're just gonna braid it now. Just a simple 3-strand braid. If you don't know how to do it, no worries, I got you. You can add a little strand if you want. Pull out a strand and have little danglies. I'm not gonna do that today. Anyways, I'm just gonna take my brush. Okay, yes, I know it's hairy. I'm gonna clean it right after this, okay? I'll take out all the hair right after this, but don't mind that. Is that disgusting? Anyways, whatever. You just brush it out. See, before I started oiling my hair and using the right hair products for my porosity, my hair would literally sound like crunchy when I would brush it. Like now it sounds nice and smooth and I don't have to worry about losing so much hair. And I'll be like asking people, I'll be asking like my boyfriend and my friends, like, is this normal? And they'd be like, yes, girl, don't worry about it. Except one homegirl, shout out to you, Priscilla. She was like, girl, that's the problem. Go oil your hair. And that's exactly what I did, and now I don't have that problem no more. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, anyways, yeah, you're just gonna put your fingers. Okay, wait, let me move y'all closer. Alrighty, if you already know how to braid your hair, don't worry about it. But if you don't, no worries. That's what I'm here for. So 2 fingers, stab. Now you get 3 semi-even strands. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna restart that. Make them more. There you go. That feels good. Alrighty. So then, left, middle, right. So you take the left, loop it over the middle, and then pull it under the right side. Okay, let me get closer. Over middle, under right. Over middle, under right. Index, over middle, under index, pull. Does that make sense? Right? You get it? You got the hang of it now? And then boom, bam, beam, boom.
You get the idea.
So sound effects aren't necessary, but they are recommended. Boom, bam, beam, boom. I think it makes the experience a little more fun, especially if you have long hair like me. It takes a while, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm still in my pajamas. Anyways, so when you get here and you have like one smaller strand and the other ones are still long, what I would do is take hair, so I'm gonna take like half from the long strand like this, and then add it to the shorter strand, which is right here. Add it to the shorter strand and continue as usual. So yeah, keep going, keep going. I find that even the teeny tiny braid looks better than just like one long strand at the bottom. So I'd say to keep going as long as you can, all the way to the very, very end, the tippy end, all the way down your split ends. Okay, that's how far I'm gonna go because I don't feel like doing anymore. And then I have this pack of smaller bands that I got from Walgreens. Just keep looping it over and over and over. I am still going at it. Anytime now. I think one more. Okay, right here. And then yeah, so this, here we are. And this is what one braid looks like. And now the other one. See, super cute, super cute. I just think like even if it's a tiny, tiny braid, I still think it looks better than a super long strand. Like if it's like really long, I'd be fighting the urge to just cut it off, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that because I already did that last time I did this hairstyle. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna do this side and I'll come back to y'all to do my big forehead. Okay, now that we got our two beautiful braids, now we're gonna do our edges. So like I mentioned, take your little spoolie. Where is it? Where did I put it? Okay, take your little spoolie, take your, oh, here it is. It was behind my laptop. So I usually just do 2 on each side. Oh, you can't even see. 2 on each side. I'll see how I'm feeling because I seem to have like a lot more right here. So I might do 3. Might do 2. Okay, so yeah, bringing y'all closer. I'm gonna turn on the light. Oh, you can really see my skin, but I don't really care. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to do 3. If I don't end up liking it, I'm gonna just go to my usual. So yeah, you just get some gel on your spoolie here, and then you like pull it down, and then put your finger there, and then swoop. Oh, that's a lot of hair. That's a thick swoop. That's a thick swoop. Cause what is going on? What is going on? We're not doing this. Yeah, we're not doing that. Yeah, you know, it's all just trial and error, honestly. So anyways, we're gonna start over with this side, how I usually do it, with just 2. I'm like low-key getting impatient with this, so like it low-key doesn't look as good. But this is the idea, basically. Okay. Yep. And yeah, that's what we got. Hopefully they're even. Let's see. They're not even. Okay. So let's try to fix that. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here. So, oh, you know, that's what I was missing. The sound effects. I'm telling y'all, it's a game changer. That's not even, it's not a joke. So this is what we got going on. I don't know why this side is so thick. You see what I mean? I'm gonna do one more attempt to fix it. Y'all didn't hear that. I listen to frequencies while I sleep, okay? But I feel kind of exposed. Okay, try to make this less thick. Whatever. Why must I try to make things perfect? Okay, that's what we're going for today. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. So this is what we got going on. And now I'm gonna do my sideburn edges, which are so cute. I used to like do like so many different types of versions, but I now do a little loop and it's super cute. Okay, I'm gonna just get to it. Okay, where is my spoolie? Oh, here. So then take some gel as per usual. I kind of took a lot, but whatever. So then you just brush it down. See, I don't like having too much. Like if there's a whole strand, just brush it back. You only want the baby hairs. Or use the whole strand if you don't have baby hairs. No shade, no shade, no shade. I hope that I didn't offend anybody. Like I like that was, you know, okay, whatever. Anyways, moving on. I love my baby hairs. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful not to be boastful about it or nothing. Anyways, I used to do like a swoop where like it goes upwards. I'll probably insert some photos here. Swoop that goes upwards, swoop that kind of just sticks out. It gives me mouse vibes. I feel like a mouse when I do that for some reason. But my go-to right now is the swoop that goes all around, a little swirl. See, this part is like the most tedious part in this whole hairstyle. Oh my gosh, and I did it. That was so fast. Am I happy with that though? Drag the swirl to where you want it, and then you place it, and then you like tap it down with this finger to like seal down the swirl. Okay, I'm happy with that. And it didn't even take me that long. I was about to say this part might take longer than the whole hairstyle itself, but that didn't even take me that long. Literally. Okay, so then I'm gonna do the same on this side. See, this is what I used to do. I just have like, but now we getting bougie and bougier by the day, so we need that little swirl. There you go. Now I already know this isn't even. I already know. Yeah, it's definitely not even. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna just come back when this one looks better, because I don't know how long this is gonna take me, yo.
5 hours later.
Never give up. We are not quitters here. Persevere. You will persevere. You got this. Why does it look like that? Why am I whispering? Okay. Okay, we did it. Oh. Well, this is what we got going on. This is the best we gonna get today. I done like scraped off the sunscreen off my face right here from constantly scraping like. But anyways, this is the final results. Finally. And yeah. I don't know if this was much of a tutorial, but thank y'all for coming along with me. Bye. Thank you for watching.